A speed camera is a device used to monitor and enforce speed limits by capturing evidence of vehicles exceeding the set speed limit on a road. Speed cameras are generally installed in areas with a history of speeding incidents or accidents, such as busy roads, intersections, and school zones. They use a combination of sensors, cameras, and advanced technology to detect and record speeding vehicles. There are several types of speed cameras, but most work through a similar process. A common method involves sensors embedded in or alongside the road. These sensors detect the speed of passing vehicles by calculating the time it takes for a vehicle to travel between 2 points. When a vehicle passes over or near these sensors, the camera system measures its speed. If the vehicle's speed exceeds the legal limit for that location, the camera is triggered. Another type, known as radar or laser speed cameras, operates differently. These cameras use radar waves or laser beams directed at oncoming vehicles. By measuring the reflection of the radar waves or the time delay of the laser beam bouncing back, the camera calculates the vehicle's speed. If the calculated speed exceeds the limit, the camera automatically takes a picture. Once the speed camera detects a violation, it captures one or more photographs of the vehicle, usually including a clear image of the license plate. Some systems also record video to provide additional evidence if needed. The captured images or videos are then automatically processed and stored in a central system. Authorities review these records to verify the violation and identify the vehicle's owner based on the license plate number. After confirmation, a speeding ticket or citation is typically issued and mailed to the registered owner. Some advanced speed camera systems, known as average speed cameras, work by tracking the average speed of a vehicle over a longer distance rather than at a single point. These cameras are placed at multiple locations along a road, and they measure how long it takes a vehicle to travel from one point to the next. If the average speed between the points is higher than the allowed speed, a ticket may be issued. Speed cameras play an important role in road safety. They act as a deterrent by making drivers aware of their speed and encouraging them to slow down in monitored areas, ultimately helping to reduce accidents and improve compliance with speed limits. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.